In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a daily AI-powered social posting workflow in n8n. By the end, you'll have an automated pipeline that brainstorms a topic, writes a tweet, generates an anime-style image, logs everything in a Google Sheet, and publishes to Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, hands-free, every night at 10 p.m. We'll start with a schedule trigger. This is what kicks everything off automatically, so you don't have to remember to run anything. Configure it to run every day at 10 p.m. That consistent timing helps your audience know when to expect fresh content and keeps your publishing cadence on track. Next, send a message to a model. This prompt asks the AI to create a short, punchy title focused on a specific problem related to n8n or automation. Think of it as your daily theme. Keep the instruction clear and constrained so the model returns a topic that's useful, actionable, and relevant to your brand. Then, pass that title into a second message to a model. Here, the AI crafts a tweet based on the generated title. Guide it to be easy to read, solution-oriented, and to include relevant hashtags. You're aiming for clarity over cleverness, something someone can scan quickly and instantly see value. You can also specify tone and length to match your voice and platform limits. With the topic in hand, trigger an image generation node. The prompt should request a Japanese anime-style visual that aligns with the title. The image will serve as an eye-catching asset for your social posts. Keep your prompt descriptive, but not overly rigid, so the model can produce a cohesive, on-brand look. Now capture everything in Google Sheets using Append or Update row in your sheet. Store the title and the description or tweet text so you build a searchable archive of ideas and published content. This log is your content memory, great for repurposing, tracking performance, and avoiding duplicates. Next, push the tweet live with the Create Tweet node. It uses the description you just generated, so your copy stays consistent with the theme. Ensure your account connection is authorized and watch for platform rate limits. Then mirror the content to LinkedIn with Create a Post. Reuse the same core message so your brand stays coherent across platforms, and adjust formatting if needed for professional audiences. Finally, publish to Facebook through the Facebook Graph API. With proper permissions, the workflow will post to your page automatically, giving you broad distribution without extra effort. That's the full loop. Scheduled ideation, AI writing, visual generation, content logging, and multi-platform publishing, reliably every night at 10 p.m.